Okay, so this is a tour of a Hampton Inn hotel room. This is a king bed, non-smoking. I am just checking out of this room, so you're gonna see it's a little messy, but this is what it looks like. Let's start off by, this is the door, do not disturb sign. And this is really nice here. If you have a little one, the security latch, a lot of hotels have them up here, the standard one, but this is really nice. Okay, and we will go into the bathroom now. So here's the vanity. It did have all the toiletries, the soap, the lotion, the shampoo, all filled with towels, hand towels, washcloths. I should have did this video when we first came in, but it was late and I just didn't have time. So yeah, I really like Hampton, which is part of Hilton. Got your tissues. Like I said, we had plenty of towels. And if you ever need towels, of course, you know, just go to the front desk and ask, or call the front desk. This drawer, this drawer. They do have a hairdryer. I didn't realize this at first, but the hairdryer, of course, is in this little bag down under here. You got the toilet. They usually always give you an extra toilet paper. And I really liked this. I really liked this shower. This is a, as you can see, it's, I guess, kind of a walk-in shower, but it does have the lip, so it's not handicapped accessible. But this was really nice because I didn't think my little ones would like it, but they actually really did. They slid down this like a water slide. There's the shower head up there. And you can see they have the little ledges that you can put your soap. So this is just like a little detailed view of this room in case anybody's wondering what a Hampton Inn hotel room looks like. This is honestly, I think this is the first time I'm ever staying in a Hampton. And I liked it. I really like these doors. So you can see right here, here's the latch. Let me slide this. This is like a barn door. Now, of course, different Hampton Inns are going to probably look a little different. You can see, you gotta kind of jimmy that in there, but that's like the barn door. And then whenever you open it, it leads to the closet with the ironing board and the iron. You can see that you have the luggage rack. And then up here, I guess this is just extra, an extra blanket, probably extra linens. And then you have your, what was that? Did you hear that? It sounded like someone was coming in the room. You have your desk. And again, we use this room, so that's why the bed is not made. So you have your little lamp, and then the pull-out tray, the 2 plugs, and then the USB there. I do have to say, when I plugged in my charger, it kept falling out. I had to like push something against it. So that was a pain, but other than that, I don't have any complaints. There's the headboard back there. Very nice room. I thought this room was very nice. You got the lamp. You have another plug right there. The alarm clock, and then another pull-out tray. Okay, moving back. This is in the king room. You see how they have kind of like a little sofa, or what do they call that? A chaise lounge. So this was really nice. And then here's like a little end table, which was over here, but my 3-year-old. So I put it over here so he wouldn't bump his head. And then you can see you have a lamp here. And then you have your own heating and cooling unit. You can see here it says that the controls on the unit are disabled. Thermostat on the wall controls the unit. And I actually really like these drapes. These are thick drapes. The sun did not come in. Here's a thinner one. And then here's the blackout one. So the drapes are really, really nice. Okay, so you have another desk. Informational packet. More plugs and USB. Plugs again. Coffee was in here. And then the coffee pot right there. And look at this. That's really nice. Again, even if it's the same chain, you could have different properties that look different. Ice bucket. And then you have your mini fridge. You need a mini fridge. Things stayed pretty cool in there. Something I did notice, it does not have a microwave. A lot of times hotels have microwaves and fridges. This just had a fridge, not a microwave. For us, that wasn't an issue. Okay, and then here's the TV. And like I said, a lot of times hotels have microwaves and fridges, but this didn't have a microwave, but that's fine. We didn't need it. And then they have these two ottomans here that you can kind of pull out or use for a sitting area. So yeah, that again is a Hampton Inn hotel room. This is a king non-smoking. Oh, let me show you this. Yeah, this is the thermostat. Low, high, auto, cool heat. Oh, that's really hot. And then you see this chair here, little desk chair. So yeah, that is a Hampton Inn hotel room. King, non-smoking. I think most hotels are non-smoking now. And yeah, give it a thumbs up. Please share the video. Do you like Hampton Inns? Comment below.